Hi, I'm Becky Duncan, owner of Redbox Plus of Greater Louisville and Louisville's one and only dumpster diva, here to talk some trash with you today about our elite dumpsters. We love working with contractors, real estate investors, and home improvement specialists and deliver elite dumpsters to their job sites so that work doesn't have to stop when crews need to go. All of our elite dumpsters, such as you see behind me, come with 2 portable toilets that are completely disinfected and ready to go.